Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Come Cook with Kay, and today you'll be learning how to cook, but with me. Click that subscribe button if you want to learn today. Hey loves, today we are making Hawaiian roll cheeseburger sliders. Now you already know what the first step is. Wash them hands, make sure you have good hygiene always in the kitchen and everywhere else, to be honest, please. But here's our butter and parsley mixture, here's our Hawaiian rolls, crinkle cut seasoned fries, all our seasonings, our vegetables, our meat, and we're about to melt this butter and stuff. We're gonna dice up our onions while our butter is melting, and then we're gonna go and dice up our green peppers. Okay, make sure they're diced up nice and right. Okay, then we're gonna put our vegetables that we just diced up into a preheated frying pan with the oil. I use olive oil. You can use whatever oil that you prefer. Then we're gonna put the ground beef in, and we're gonna start seasoning. This is seasoning oil, onion powder, garlic powder, put salt and pepper, all that good stuff in there. Make sure you season it up because we don't want no nasty dry. But then we're gonna get ready to drain our meat. Make sure you drain your meat, okay? And here's our Hawaiian rolls. We're gonna caramelize some onions, and then we're gonna cut open the Hawaiian rolls, and I put the butter mixture inside and on top of it. But we spreading it on the inside so it could be nice and yummy and don't be dry. I first layered it with the Swiss cheese, ground beef, the American cheese, and the caramelized onions on top on the first batch. And then the second batch, I think I just put Swiss cheese on the ground beef, and it was just hella Swiss cheese, whatever. But you can put whatever you want in there, whatever cheese you want. But this is how it looked. I told you I made 3 batches, so some of them came out nicely cut. All of them came out, you know, good. Like, they all going in the same place, okay? Don't gotta be perfect, but it's worth it. That was the only hard thing about this, was cutting open the Hawaiian rolls. Other than that, it's easy, okay? It's real easy. And then we're gonna, you know, put that nice butter parsley on top of the cheeseburger sliders, because, you know, we don't want them little dry ass sliders that you be getting at some of them restaurants, because that what, 1 piece of ground beef, like that is not fulfilling at all. Talking about, it's just an appetizer anyway. Girl, please go back there and make my sliders right, okay? My sliders should be sliding around, okay? Not stiff with 1 piece of meat in it. But this is how it looks when it's done. It's gonna be toasty and melty, and when you pull it apart, ooh, it is cheesy, okay? I'm talking, that thing is thinging. And here it is on a plate, ready to be served and ready to get ate, okay? Tear this up. Yummy, bye.